Today I'll be unboxing a pour-over gooseneck kettle by Coffee Gator, and I'm going to be answering 3 questions. Number 1, do I need a special kettle for pour-over coffee? Well, a gooseneck kettle is not required for brewing good pour-over coffee, but it makes it easier to slowly and consistently pour water, is more comfortable to hold, and often includes a built-in thermometer like this one does. This allows coffee drinkers to brew more consistent coffee each time. Number 2, why pour-over coffee is healthier? Well, past research has shown that this is because filters remove significant amounts of the 2 chemical compounds found in coffee that are known to raise lipid levels. In fact, the concentrations of these 2 compounds are around 30 times higher in a cup of unfiltered coffee compared with filtered brew. Number 3, why is pour-over coffee so much better? The pour-over method allows you to control the temperature of the water, the speed at which it goes into the grounds, the amount of time it brews, and how much it makes. Coffee enthusiasts tend to prefer this method because it allows them to control the taste, the texture, temperature, and strength of the brew. Not only are these great features for coffee, but guess what? I use this little kettle for my tea. What's great is that it does have the thermometer on top, so when it hits the green level, you know that it's the perfect temperature to pour over, whether it's coffee or tea. Also, you'll find that some people in your family, or perhaps even you, might want to use this pour-over coffee over ramen noodles, so it makes a quick snack really easy, and you don't get burned. So, look at all the details in my description below. You can also follow and click notify so you see my other products soon. Enjoy!